I'm going to teach you how to use the Fenek Wireless PC controller. It's really quite simple. Now, when you first get it, you need to charge it. So I'm going to grab your charger cable that came with it, plugs into the top here, just a micro USB. Any micro USB will work. Now, if you want to see it charging, on the back there's an on and off switch. Throw it in the on position, and on the bottom, you'll have a slow blink. That means it's charging. Now let this charge for a while or else it's not going to work correctly and you're going to be unhappy. We want you guys to be happy. Alright, so after it's charged, the unit is on. It's blinking fast because it's searching for the connection and the dongle is not plugged in. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Take your dongle. The dongle likes USB 2, but it'll work in USB 3 as well. And we really recommend putting it in the front of your PC or on top of your desk to, I guess, eliminate crosstalk or any kind of weirdness. It really works better if it's above your desk for some reason. Go back to the bottom, turn it on, it'll blink, and now it's connected. It can connect as DirectInput or Xinput, and you cycle between DirectInput and Xinput by holding down the home button for 5 or 6 seconds. So I'll show that happen here in the computer. Alright, now as you can see here, it's connected, and it's connected as a generic controller. This is for DirectInput. If we have properties, we can come over here and then, hey, everything's working. So that's our DirectInput controller, but a lot of you guys are going to want to use this in Xinput mode. So what you do is you hold down the home button. After you hold it down for a few seconds, it'll change, and now it's an Xbox 360 controller, and that's what you want. Open up properties again, and now we're controlling it as an Xbox 360 controller. All the buttons work. If you have a Xinput unit, you also want to do the same thing. You just hold the home button down, and the first time you hold it down, you may notice on the bottom of the screen, it'll just say, hey, generic controller. But after you hold it down again, it'll say connected Xbox controller, and that's when you can use it without any fuss or anything like that. It just works. All right, so we also have a turbo and clear button on this. The way this works is you hit turbo, and now you want that button to be your turbo. So you've selected that one as your turbo, and then you can clear with that. So that's basically how that works. I don't think a lot of people are going to be using that, but it's on there if you're playing a bullet hell game or something.
Or cheating at Street Fighter.
Cheating at Street Fighter, E Honda, and Chun-Li. Enjoy your Fenek PC controller.
Fenek.